Makita MAKTRAK is the next generation in modular storage. MAKTRAK is designed, engineered, and made in the USA with globally sourced materials for superior transportation, access, storage, and organization.
We are one of the best manufacturing facilities made in the USA. With the manufacturing process, we start with resin, and then we have a plastic injection molding. Once the part is made with our molds, then it comes off the conveyor. The operator will take it, assemble the product, then it's checked by the camera, then it's ready for the consumer. Having jobs here in America means that Americans are getting paid. We got OSHA regulations that we have to follow. So you're gonna get a good product.
When I'm shopping for products, I love for them to be American made. It's important to have jobs like this here in the USA because it helps support the U.S. economy and brings jobs to American people.
It's good to be working for a company that's made in the USA.
Backed by unique design and engineering, MAKTRAK is the most advanced system on the market. MAKTRAK is more than a stackable toolbox system. It's the next generation in modular storage that's made in the USA with globally sourced materials for superior transportation, access, storage, and organization.